Hi friends, you can buy 18-75 under secondary standard at a very low price from China and some underdeveloped countries. Besides the price advantage, what are the factors that you should focus on? Today we will explain it. When purchasing the low-priced membranes such as 75-gallon, 50-gallon, please pay attention to the product stability and its lowest salt rejection rate, because this kind of element is low price oriented. Some manufacturers produce it with unqualified membrane materials, especially the low quality flat sheet, which has low salt rejection rate, poor water production, and even yellowish and black out sheet. Making with such kind of material, the finished membrane will look cheap and has large quality difference. There may be a few 75 GPD membranes with 97% decellulation rate, but also some will have only 80%. So, the quality and stability are not guaranteed. In addition, pay attention to the production process to check if it is rough or not. For example, whether there is dust on the cutting surface of the membrane, whether it's residual glue on the central tube, and the quality of O-ring is also critical, if tight or loose. Otherwise, the drain water will come into the pure water. Finally, this HJC 75-gallon membrane under second rand standard is suitable for raw water TDS less than 1000 ppm and 92% to 95% salt rejection rate. And we hope this information can help you to check your membrane quality. Thank you.